Hi everyone, welcome to a new live trading session by Giottus. Hi Vanvari, I'm a long-term investor. I have chance. Should I hold or sell? Which coin are you talking about? So let us first of all talk about BTC, right? So BTC currently is trading around 79,500, right? The BTC high that we are seeing is around 82,000, right? So the price has actually sort of rejected from around 82,000. But if you see BTC on higher time frame, so BTC is sort of bullish only. You can see the way price has gone all the way up from 65,000 to around 82,000. It has been an up. But if you talk about the same price action of Ethereum, like same time duration, so clearly Ethereum is an underperformer. Why? What is the reason behind? The reason is the price has been sort of trading between 2400 and 2250, right? Around 150 point range since the last 20 25 days, right? So it has not moved past this 150 point range, guys. This is actually quite interesting to see, right? So if I talk about the support of Ethereum, so the support is around 22,150, 2250, and the resistance is clearly around 2,400. The price has tried its best this time to actually go past 2,400, but it was not able to do so. It sort of rejected back from 2,400 back to 2,250. So clearly, guys, the price action is definitely not strong. And why is it not strong? Because it is not getting favored by Bitcoin. That's one. Secondly, the dominance, or you could say the outperformance by Bitcoin in this market is quite high. The altcoins are not performing as good as BTC, right? So that's why if you talk about BTC, you can see BTC has been going up, but not Ethereum, not Solana. Okay, although Solana yesterday was quite bullish, and none other coins, right? So that is what is quite interesting to see, guys. I mean, why is the price not moving? What do you think? What is the reason? So the reason behind this BTC dominance. Okay, so you can see BTC dominance gives you an idea of whether BTC is bullish or the altcoins are more bullish. All right. So BTC dominance, sorry. So BTC dominance is clearly favoring Bitcoin. That is, BTC is going up. So this usually happens when market sort of starts to reverse from a particular downfall, right? So if you see BTC is trying for a reversal from a downfall, but the altcoins are not actually following it. BTC has managed to go upwards till around 80,000, but the altcoins are still lower, right? So if you see something like Solana or if you see something like Ethereum, all of them have been bearish only. Solana has been sideways between $90 and I don't know, $78 maybe, has been sideways around this range for quite long, right? Even Ethereum has been doing so. Solana's sideways movement has been for much longer. Okay. And if we talk about something like XRP, right? And these coins are bearish only, crazy bearish. You see how XRP fell all the way from 1.45 to 1.38, right? Hi everyone. Yeah, hope this is clear, guys. I mean, what we can understand from the prices, the BTC chart is definitely bullish, definitely doing better, but the other coins are not actually favorable, right? Then other coins except BTC, the top five coins, right, except BTC, they are definitely not performing well, right? And the biggest underperformer I see is XRP. XRP tries to head high but never manages to hold up, right? It went all the way up to $1.455 and it rejected very badly from there, right? That's what we can see in the chart. If we talk about XRP's 4 hours time frame, so clearly you can see each time the price gives a spike, it comes back. All right, now let's switch to BNB. So BNB, you can see the high is around 680 and the low is around 590. Here also we are looking at a 1.5 15% range, right? So BNB has also been sort of consolidating in this 15% range, right, for quite long, and the price has not given any sort of movement. So clearly, guys, this is one of those longest periods of sideways movement. Usually we see this sideways movement like, 3 4 5 months of sideways move only after huge crashes and only before huge bull runs. All right, so if I talk about BTC, so clearly BTC has fallen by near around 50 60%. You can see from the all time high it was down 50%, and now if I talk about the current price, so it is down around 37%. So BTC might just plan or sort of prepare for a big reversal as per the historical cycles. So what do the cycles say? The cycles say when there is a 50% plus fall followed by a 5 to 6 month consolidation, we usually see a reversal in the market, and that reversal takes prices all the way up to a new all-time high. Hope that is clear. Any doubts, guys, till now? All right. So again, coming back to what we were discussing. So clearly, guys, the top five coins are not doing great except BTC, right? Now let's go to some other coin. So let's talk about maybe Hyperliquid. So Hyperliquid, it has tried to head upwards. I mean, the price action has been bullish here, but you see, thanks to the market not being able to hold up to the levels, Hyperliquid is also fallen down by a small margin, right? Also, if I talk about PAXG, right, which is gold. So gold this time has sort of bounced back from around 4,500. Clear sort of bounce can be observed in gold, and from 4,500 it has moved up to 4,700 again, right? So gold is definitely doing well. I mean, it is performing a little better as compared to the other coins, right? Gold has been doing a little better, and the reasons are quite multiple. It's not one single reason. It's just sort of leading the gold prices higher. So, guys, this is the analysis of the markets currently. Okay. Now let us talk about a proper trade signal that we can discuss right now. So we have a signal for XRP. Okay, let me share the signal. So it is a short on XRP. Okay, entry current price. The TP is 1.30 and the stop is uh, 1.46. Okay, the leverage can be taken as 4x. So I posted this short signal, guys, and if you can see this, you can straight. So with that said, guys, this is the end of the session. Hopefully, it was interesting, and see you guys. Okay, in the next session, which is scheduled on Monday. All right. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Goodbye.